In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Two Knuck tie-down anchor in the bed of your truck. In the box, you'll find a set of two Knuck anchors, a hardware kit, and a stubby M5 hex key. You will also need a T40 Torx wrench to remove the OEM tie-down hook. This Torx wrench is not included. Insert the socket screws through the washers and the mounting holes of the Two Knuck. Then line up the socket screws with the threaded holes in the truck bed. I'll get each one of them started before I fully tighten. Due to the low clearance between the socket screws and the Two Knuck, you'll need to use the included stubby hex key to tighten the socket screws. Now that the Two Knuck has been fully tightened, it's ready to go. You now have a multi-point tie-down anchor to secure whatever you're hauling.